One-day free health camp was organized by All Manipur Youth and Student Welfare Association Coordinating Committee at P. Namjulong High School, Imphal East today. Convener of the organization, K.H. Rameshwar, urged to maintain a compulsory health unit at all the private schools in the state. 3-day vocational training on pickles and sauce making training was conducted by RCWA Group at CRPF Headquarters, Langjing today. Taking part at the training as a trainer, proprietor of Maira Food Hanjabam Subhara said that people of Manipur have immense skills, but due to lack of platform, the talents are wasted. Students of Oriental College Imphal today protested against the shortage of teachers and transfer of 4 teachers of the college. As per reports, several student protesters blocked the Imphal-Jiribam National Highway for few hours, following which police personnel rushed to the scene and controlled the situation. Protesters demanded the concerned authority to cancel the transfer order of the 4 teachers by tomorrow, failing which they will intensify the agitation by shutting down the college indefinitely. Information and Public Relations Minister T.H. Vishwajit stated that pension scheme of people working in the field of media has not been tampered with, adding that there is a difference between corpus and fixed deposit. Bamboo Forum of India observed the World Bamboo Day 2019 under the theme Bamboo for Sustainable Development Goals at the lamjingbatomtv in Palace Compound, Imphal today. The celebration is attended by Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Rajya Sabha MP Khetrimayum Bhavananda, Deputy Chairman of Planning and Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicrafts Development Corporation, S. Ranjan and other dignitaries. The third Langbal Kaithel will be conducted at the Hapta Kangjibung, Imphal this evening, wherein Maidingu Laisemba Sana Jauba will attend as chief guest, Chairman of DS Enterprises Haisnam Dhananjoy as President, along with President and Advisor of Com Union Manipur Khupla Com, President of Kuki Inpi Manipur Mangcha Haukip as main guests. The Northeast Frontier Railway yesterday conducted a massive Shramdhan as a part of the Swachhata Pakhara, which is being observed throughout NF Railway. The NFR has already launched vigorous campaign through display advertisements, nukkar nataks, banners, posters, radio jingles through FM channels, and campaign through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter. The Indian Navy is set to induct second Scorpion submarine Khanderi on September 28 in Mumbai, according to a report. Khanderi was launched into the water in January 2017 and has since been undergoing a series of trials. On the delays in conducting the submarine, Navy Vice Chief Vice Admiral Ashok Kumar said certain delays and learnings happened along the way.